In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 290 by 5 using the long division method. See that 2 is less than 5, so we will consider the number 29. We know that 5 times 5 is 25 and this number is closer to 29. Subtract, we get 4. Now again see that this 4 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this number 0 here. Now 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 290 divided by 5 is equal to 58. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.